Since Informa Markets is a great platform bringing together diverse sectors, it would be wonderful if we could set up a component consortium so that it sustains the business that we are doing.
This event serves to be a very important platform, a vital confluence for bringing experts together from various walks of the healthcare ecosystem across the globe, be it biopharma, medical devices, or diagnostics.
The government has been trying to create an ecosystem in India or to discourage imports into India by bringing in technical regulations and quality control orders.
So we are having a very good time here, and I think the quality of people who have been interacting with us is very high, and I'm happy that not only distributors from India, but we have been able to meet people from Sri Lanka, some people from the Middle East. So very good response so far. Very high quality footfall that we are witnessing.
Well, it's definitely booming. I think there's enormous opportunity to integrate with chat and AI to scale access of affordable healthcare to all of the people across India. So very excited to be here today. I'm really liking the speakers here on the stage, learning a lot from how they are approaching different aspects of the healthcare industry in India.
It's very well organized, to be honest. The people here, they are super helpful. I like how they organize the booth. It's very easy to reach.
Thanks to India Health and the kind of technology it has been able to bring at this point of time, it is going to help and encourage and also boost the journey of Indian healthcare.
Very good.
Awesome.
Excellent.
The growth.
It's very helpful.
It was amazing.
See you next